Looking rich after 50 has nothing to do with chasing trends or flashing logos. It's about quiet confidence, disciplined choices, and clothes that respect your story. Most men overspend on new pieces and underinvest in the details that truly matter. Today, we flip that script and show you how wealth looks when it's refined, not loud. And yes, you'll feel sharper the moment you step out the door. Stay with me until the end, and you'll have a clear, repeatable system. You'll learn the exact shifts that make an outfit look expensive without trying. You'll see how fit, color, texture, and presence work together like a well-tuned engine. You'll know where to spend, where to save, and how to look powerful, not younger. This is your roadmap to dignified style and undeniable presence. The quiet power of perfect fit. Fit is the first signal of money because it shows care and control. A clean shoulder line tells the room you understand proportions. Sleeves that end at the wrist bone show precision, not guessing. Trousers that graze the shoe without puddling add instant polish. Nothing you wear matters more than the silhouette. If your weight has changed, let your tailor be your best ally. A subtle taper through the waist removes sloppiness without looking tight. Raising a hem half an inch can make shoes look more expensive. A slight reduction in jacket length can restore balance and authority. These are small moves with a big visual dividend. Skip the fantasy of the perfect size on the tag and respect your body today. Choose comfort with structure, not looseness that collapses. Jackets should close without strain, yet never float on the frame. Waistbands should rest, not dig. Seats should be smooth, not tight. Comfort and sharpness can absolutely live together. When in doubt, edit rather than add. Remove bulk, clean the lines, and protect the silhouette. An expensive fabric in a sloppy cut always looks cheap. A modest fabric in a precise cut will always look refined. Wealth speaks in millimeters, not megaphones. A wealthy color code. Rich style favors colors that calm the eye and flatter the skin. Think navy, charcoal, camel, olive, stone, and chocolate. These tones blend with age, experience, and quiet strength. They work from weekday to weekend without shouting for attention. They let your face lead and your outfit support. Tonal dressing is a cheat code for elegance. Wear shades of the same color to create a long, clean line. Navy with denim, camel with sand, charcoal with graphite. The effect is sleek, mature, and quietly commanding. It makes even simple pieces look deliberate. Respect contrast, but don't fight it. High contrast pairings can be harsh as we age. Soften the edges with mid-tones and gentle transitions. Let texture, not color, carry the interest. The room will see grace instead of glare. Add color like a signature, not a billboard. A muted burgundy scarf, an olive knit, a deep teal polo. Each adds depth without breaking harmony. Use brighter notes only near the face if they flatter. Let the palette feel collected, never chaotic. Fabrics that whisper, not shout. Texture is how your clothes speak before you do. Cashmere, merino, and fine lamps will soften the message. Flannel, brushed cotton, and suede add quiet richness. Crisp Oxford, pique, and linen bring breathable structure. Together, they create depth without noise. Choose weight with intention. A midweight wool drapes cleanly and resists wrinkles. A dense cotton twill gives trousers presence and shape. Summer linen with a bit of body avoids the flimsy look. Substance equals authority in any season. Shine is powerful, so use it wisely. Too much sheen looks synthetic and loud. A gentle luster on polished leather feels elevated. A soft glow on a worsted blazer says business, not bragging. Balance matte and shine like light and shadow. Care completes the fabric story. Steam out rumples, brush knits, and rest shoes. A sweater pill shaved looks instantly more expensive. A crisp collar and smooth sleeve read like good manners. Maintenance is style's hidden income. Footwear that means business. Shoes are the handshake of your outfit. A well-made pair grounds everything with authority. Look for clean lines, balanced proportions, and sturdy soles. Polish the leather until it whispers, not screams. Your steps should look as composed as you feel. Quality can be seen at 5 feet. Edges should be smooth, stitching consistent, leather supple. Suede in rich mid-tones looks luxurious without glare. Dark brown, tobacco, and espresso feel warm and distinguished. Black still rules formal moments. Keep it pristine. Build a trio that covers your life. A sleek loafer for dinners and smart days. A refined derby or Oxford for meetings and ceremonies. A weather-ready boot for weekends and travel. Rotate them, care for them, and they'll love you back. Match the leather story across the outfit. Belt and shoes close in tone shows intention. A discreet watch strap ties the look together. Avoid chunky contrast unless the outfit is rugged. Refinement is the art of restraint. The blazer and the coat. A navy blazer is the crown of quiet luxury. The right shoulder, lapel width, and button stance do the talking. Choose a textured weave for depth and forgiveness. Pair it with denim, flannel, or chinos with equal ease. It never tries hard, yet it never fails. Sport coats are your playground for subtle personality. Checks and herringbones in muted tones feel worldly. Patch pockets signal relaxed confidence without sloppiness. Soft structure keeps movement natural and masculine. You look approachable, but unquestionably in charge. A camel coat is elegance you can see from across the street. Its color flatters gray hair and adds warmth to winter. Keep the lines clean with minimal hardware and fuss. Tie the belt or let it hang, both feel effortless. It turns a simple sweater and jeans into a statement. Own a jacket for weather and a coat for presence. A clean field jacket or waxed option handles the elements. A short suede jacket brings richness to casual days. A dark overcoat formalizes anything beneath it. Outerwear frames the man before he speaks. Intelligent casual, mastered. Smart casual is where most men get lost. They confuse comfort with carelessness and ease with neglect. You will not. Your casual looks will be precise, calm, and modern. They will read as capable, not careless. Start with trousers that behave. Dark denim without rips, mid-rise, and a clean leg. Chinos in stone, navy, or olive with a quiet taper. Flannel trousers for cooler months with a soft break. Every pair should flatter your stance. Build tops that elevate, not deflate. A knit polo is relaxed, yet refined under a blazer. An Oxford button-down opens the face and fits any room. A merino crew neck sharpens the shoulders and chest. A turtleneck in winter is pure authority. Finish with clarity, not clutter. Tuck when the hem is long, untuck when it's short and clean. Roll sleeves neatly, never sloppily. Keep pockets light and lines uninterrupted. When in doubt, subtract one thing. Details, grooming, presence. Details are the final proof of taste. A simple, thin wallet keeps the silhouette clean. Socks match trousers or tone with shoes for harmony. Glasses with refined frames lift the entire face. Nothing should fight for attention. Your watch tells a story without a monologue. Choose clean dials, balanced cases, and quiet straps. Let the metal echo your wedding band or belt buckle. Avoid oversized cases that drown the wrist. The goal is credibility, not commentary. Grooming is the best tailoring for your face. A sharp haircut with soft edges feels modern and dignified. Beard lines should be deliberate, never accidental. Eyebrows tidy, nails clean, skin hydrated and calm. Discipline reads as success. Presence completes the outfit money can't buy. Stand tall, Breathe slow, speak clearly. Move with intention, not urgency. Wear the clothes, do not let them wear you. The richest look is self-possession. Fewer, better, forever. Wealthy style is built on strict selection. Buy fewer items, but demand better fabric and build. Let each new piece earn its place. If it doesn't lift 3 outfits, it stays in the store. Curation beats accumulation every time. Think in uniforms that evolve. A blazer, knit, and tailored trouser is a ready formula. Swap colors and textures to keep it fresh. Your closet should feel like a well-edited library. Every book worth rereading. Maintain what you own like a professional. Steam after wear, brush wool, rest shoes with trees. Launder knits gently and dry flat to protect shape. Press collars and plackets for crisp lines. Care is the compound interest of style. Track your wins in the mirror. Notice which proportions flatter and repeat them. Retire mistakes without emotion. Invest in what earns compliments and confidence. Your wardrobe should pay you back daily. Money where it matters. Invest in the pieces that anchor everything else. A navy blazer that fits like armor. Shoes that age like good leather seats. A coat that makes winter feel cinematic. Denim and chinos that respect your frame. Spend smart on fabric and fit, save on novelty. A solid knit in merino will outwork 3 trendy sweaters. A refined belt outlasts a drawer of gimmicks. A quality bag makes travel look effortless. Let durability be your style accountant. Avoid false economy. Cheap items replaced 3 times cost more than one good piece. Your time, comfort, and presence are worth protecting. Buy once, adjust once, and wear often. That is the math of quiet wealth. Remember the hidden costs. Wrinkles, discomfort, and constant fixes drain confidence. Well-chosen pieces remove friction from your day. Less stress equals better posture and better decisions. That return is priceless. Seasonal mastery without the clutter. Spring wants light layers with structure. A field jacket over a knit polo handles shifting weather. Stone chinos and suede loafers keep it refined. Add a subtle scarf for texture when mornings bite. Move clean, move confident. Summer rewards breathable strength. Linen with body beats flimsy, see-through fabric. A short-sleeve knit polo looks grown and modern. Unlined blazers keep shape without heat. Leather sandals stay at the pool, not the city. Autumn is the season of depth. Flannel trousers and heavier knits add authority. Brown suede becomes your best friend. A tweed or herringbone sport coat brings character. Colors turn richer, lines stay clean. Winter demands presence, not bulk. A camel or navy overcoat sharpens any base layer. A dark turtleneck is armor against cold and doubt. Leather gloves and a wool scarf unify the look. You own the room before you enter. Everything you need is simple and repeatable. Prioritize fit, choose a calm palette, and let texture do the talking. Invest in serious footwear, a blazer that works, and a coat with authority. Keep details disciplined, grooming clean, and your presence steady. That is how a man over 50 looks rich without saying a word. Now it's your turn to edit with purpose. Open your closet and remove what fights your image. Keep what supports your story and upgrade what holds you back. Build a uniform that frees your mind and focuses your strength. You've earned a wardrobe that respects your legacy. If this helped, share it with a man who deserves to look his best. Tell me which shift you'll make first and what you want solved next. Subscribe for more clear, timeless guidance made for men like you. Your best years aren't behind you, they're well dressed and waiting. I'll see you in the next one.